from elegantespace.com, and in this video I will guide you how to make a website step by step. So be with me and watch the video till the end to launch your website today itself. Today we are going to use Site Origin Page Builder to make our website. See how cool these designs are, and in order to make this type of website you will be needed a domain name and hosting. Hosting is a place where all the files and data of a website is stored, like images, videos, tables, etc. And domain name is a website address one types into URL address bar to visit that particular website, like facebook.com, youtube.com or elegantespace.com. Okay, so let's start making this website. First of all, click on the link given below and it will take you to this page. Here you have to click on get domain and hosting, and you will redirect to Fastcomet hosting website. From here we will buy our hosting and domain. Basically we have 3 plans to choose from. If you want to launch more than 2 websites, then go with scale right or speed up. However, we are going to launch a single website, so we will go with start smart and we will click on get started. Upon clicking get started, we will land on the next page, and here we have to type the domain name for our website. I am going to type Pragati Elegant to check if the website is available or not. Yes, the domain name is available. Now on the same page we have to create our account. So fill out all the details and move to the next section, that is billing cycle, and make sure the email address you are typing here is correct. In billing cycle you will get 4 options. The longer you choose, the better price you will get. However, I will suggest you to go with 12 months. So click on 12 months and scroll down. Here you will get 2 payment options. First is credit card and second is PayPal. If you want to pay via credit card, then click on credit card and fill out all the details and then click on create account. Once you click on create account, your account will be created and you will get a confirmation email with login ID and password of your hosting account. However, if you want to pay via PayPal, then you can click on PayPal and make the payment. Since I have already purchased hosting, so I am skipping this step. The email address you will get will be like this. So here is our login details and this is our username and password. So we have successfully completed our step first. Now we will install WordPress. A WordPress is a CMS platform which makes things easier to create a website without using any programming or coding language. And in order to install a WordPress, we will go back and log into our hosting account via username and password which has been sent to our email address. Now we will click on this link and log into our hosting account. Now this is the cPanel of our hosting account, and in order to install WordPress, scroll down to soft close section and click on WordPress. Upon clicking we will land on the next section, and here we have to click on install now button. Okay, so here we have to fill certain details like protocol, domain, site name and username and ID password for our WordPress website, and we will go step by step. Okay, so if you are using SSL certificate for your website, then choose HTTPS protocol. If not, then go with HTTP and choose the domain name of your site. Now here under site name you can enter the name of your site and the description of your site, what you want to make it. Okay, now this section is really important and will be used while logging to your WordPress website. So make a password as strong as you can make. Okay, I am going to make, and password should be strong. So here is our password. Now moving to another section, we have advanced option, and I suggest you not to do anything with these options and let it be as it is and click on install button. Okay, installation will take few seconds, and when it's completed you will get this success notification on your Windows screen. Now we will install WordPress theme, and in order to do it we will go to browser address bar and enter the domain name of your website followed by wp admin and hit enter. Once you will hit enter, you will redirect to the login page. Now we have to enter the username and password of our WordPress admin panel what we have entered while installing the WordPress website. So I am going to enter the details. Yeah, this is our WordPress dashboard, and we have to go to appearance section and have to click on themes. Now we have to install Ultra theme. Okay, so we'll click on add new and then we'll search for Ultra. So here is our theme. We have to click on install and then activate. Now our theme has been activated. So moving forward, we will go and install page builder. Okay, so go to plugin and click on add new. Now search for site origin. Yeah, here we go. Click on install now and then activate it. And then install widget of the site origin page builder. Okay, so install it and activate. Now let's have a look of our website. Okay, so come here and click on your website name. So this is how our default website will look. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and edit our home page. Now we'll go and click on edit home page and then on this custom home page home button. Okay, so we'll go to layout and then click on layout directory. Here you will get so many layout, but we are going to use this one. Okay, so we are going to click it and then click on insert followed by replace current and are you sure. It will take few seconds to load. Now the layout has been installed. Okay, so click on save home page, then go to edit as a page. Since we are using page builder site origin, so we don't need any demo slider, so we'll go and click on none and update the data. Now let's have a look of our pre-built website. Wonderful, our website has been created. You can check over here, right? See how easily we have created our website. Now let's say you want to change the text of this section. Okay, so we'll go and click on live editor and then click on site origin hero. See, I would like to say one more thing. Website has been divided into different sections. This, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, each section has content different things. To change this text, we'll go and click on site origin hero and then click on frame and then we'll change the text of our website. Okay, let's say and then click on done. See, the text of the site has been updated. Likewise, you can go ahead and click on each and every panel and start editing as per your choice. If we hover our mouse here, we'll see this section has been highlighted. Okay, likewise, if you go here, this section is highlighted. If you go here, this section has been highlighted. Okay, so we'll go one by one and click on it. Now, if you want to change the background image, then go to here and click it. Here you will get few images. You can choose any one of them or else you can upload the file from your system. Okay, so I am going to choose this image and then click on set media, then click done and we are all set. Now go ahead and edit all the sections as per your requirement and then update the files. Now what if you want to add new pages to your WordPress website like contact us, about us or privacy policies? It's a really easy process. You just have to go here and click on page. Now enter the title of your page like about us and write down all the details what you want to write inside this page. Once you complete writing all the details in this page, go here and click on publish. Now we will see how this page looks like. Okay, so click here. Okay, so here is our page. Okay, so we are getting some sidebar, and if you want to put it, you can keep it. If you don't want and you want to remove it completely, we can do it easily by going to edit page and from here page layout, go to drop down and click no sidebar and update the page. Now we will go and check how it looks. So we have to click here. Yeah, here we go. The sidebar has been removed. I have added few pages to our website: privacy policy, contact us and about us. Okay, so if you want to rearrange this menu, we have to go here and appearance and then go to menu. Now see, these are the page which we have created. Okay, so we are going to rearrange this back to back. Okay, so home page will be on the first page, then about us, then contact us and then privacy policy. Okay, and make sure you have clicked on this primary menu checkbox and then save menu. Now go back to our website and check if the change has been made or not. Yes, the changes has been made and all the menus are in the order. Okay. So guys, we have successfully created our website, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section below and I will definitely help you with that. And guys, please like and subscribe the channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.